Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you an amazing automation project using n8n where student feedback is collected automatically and the Boolean Academy tech team instantly sends a thank you response to students. Suppose a student completes a course and submits feedback through a form. Normally, the team has to check response manually, save feedback, reply to every student one by one. This takes time and effort. So, we created an automated workflow using n8n. First, the student fills out a feedback form with name, course, rating, and comments. Once the form is submitted, the n8n workflow is triggered automatically. After that, n8n automatically sends a thank you message to the student. One important thing, if you are new to n8n, I have already uploaded a beginner friendly video explaining what n8n is and how it works. So make sure to check that out first. Now let's build a real world automation project. So this is the n8n workflow. If you have logged in successfully, this page will come. From here you can change the workflow name. I am giving the name student feedback. So my workflow is created. To make the feedback form, firstly click add step and search n8n form. See, click here, then on new n8n form event. Now give the title of form. I am give the title name feedback submission, then write the form title. You can use the same name. Now click add form element. Now the label I want to add name, say name. Now element type is text input, then add attributes, required field, turn on the required field. Then add another form element, say email. Now the element type is email, click here, then add attributes, required, then turn on this field. Then add another, say now I am adding feedback. Then element type is let's text area, then add attributes, required field, turn on the required field. Now our form is ready. So run the workflow from here. See, the form is coming. Say the name is Ram, then take one email, then feedback, say class is good. Now submit the feedback. Now add another note from here, search email. Click email. I want to send a message, so select the send a message. Then you have to carefully log in with your Google account. After that this will come. See, our input is coming here. So to whom you want to send the thank you email? The student who sent the feedback. Now drag the email from here. Say json.email is coming. Now subject, write thank you, then name. Select the name. Thank you. Say Ram for your feedback. Now select email type is text. Now see, I am writing the message. Thank you, name, for your valuable feedback. Thanks and regards, Boolean Academy. Now execute the workflow. Let's see what's happening. Now see what is saying. Thank you, Ram, for your valuable feedback. Thanks and regards, Boolean Academy. Now, if you want to omit this line, this email was sent automatically with n8n, then if you just add one step, see, open this email page, then add option, then append n8n attribution, click, then turn it off. Now again execute the step. Now see, the line is gone. So that's it. The email is sent automatically without any manual work. This automation helps save time, reduce manual work, improve communication, manage student feedback efficiently. In this way, you can build a complete student feedback automation system using n8n. If you enjoyed this project, like the video, subscribe to this channel and comment if you want more automation projects. Thanks for watching.